Picture a forest transformed by winter, silent, beautiful, and blanketed in white. Beneath this stillness, a basic need presses in: thirst. Surrounded by frozen water, finding something safe to drink is a true challenge. In the cold, your body loses moisture with every breath, making dehydration a real threat, even if you're not sweating. Subtle signs like dry mouth and fatigue can quickly escalate to confusion and danger. Water is the key to survival. Without it, hypothermia and poor decisions follow. The forest frozen puzzle isn't solved by brute force, but by knowledge and careful observation. The obvious solution, eating snow, is a trap. To thrive, you must learn the secrets hidden beneath the ice and snow. Winter survival begins with respect for the cold and a willingness to adapt. Snow is everywhere, tempting you to eat it for relief. But eating snow is dangerous. It drains your body heat, risking hypothermia. Your body must melt and warm the snow, costing precious energy and lowering your core temperature. The cold can also damage your mouth and stomach, and you'd need to eat a lot for little water. The only safe way: melt snow with an external heat source. Always heat the melted snow to at least lukewarm before drinking. Never eat snow directly. Always melt, and if possible, warm it. This simple rule can mean the difference between survival and disaster. Patience and preparation are your best allies. In winter, method beats impulse every time. Melting snow takes time and fuel, but nature often hides a better solution. Many streams and rivers keep flowing beneath the ice, insulated from the cold. Listen for the faint sound of moving water in low-lying areas, valleys, ravines or depressions. Look for sunken snow, dark patches, or mist rising from cracks, signs of water below. Approach ice with extreme caution. It's thickest near the banks, thinnest at the centre. Never walk on ice unless you're sure it's safe. Instead, lie down near the edge to distribute your weight and use a stick or cord to collect water. If you must break the ice, do so near the bank. The reward is fresh, flowing water without the need to melt snow. But remember, one misstep on thin ice can be fatal. Always put safety first. If melting snow is your only option, choose the cleanest snow you can find. Avoid snow from the ground; it's often contaminated. Instead, collect fresh snow from evergreen branches, rock tops, or deep drifts. Tree wells and hollows can also hold clean, compacted snow. Inspect your snow. Avoid any that's discoloured, yellow, pink or brown. The purer the snow, the less work you'll have to do to make it safe. A little extra effort in gathering means cleaner, better-tasting water. In survival, small choices make a big difference. As winter turns to spring, some trees offer a hidden source of hydration sap. Maple, birch and sycamore trees draw water up from their roots, producing sap rich in sugars and minerals. Identify these trees by their bark and branching patterns. Tap by making a small, upward-angled hole and inserting a spout to collect the slow, dripping sap. Sap is mostly water and safe to drink straight from the tree. Only tap healthy, mature trees and plug the hole when finished to protect the tree. This sweet liquid is both hydration and energy, a true gift from the forest. Use it wisely and respectfully. Animals know where to find water. Follow their tracks for clues. Large herbivores like deer create trails to reliable water sources, often leading to streams or springs. Converging animal paths, especially downhill, are strong indicators of water nearby. Tracks of beavers, otters, or mink almost guarantee open water. Birds and squirrels also reveal water sources by their behavior. Move quietly and respectfully. You're a guest in their world. By reading the signs left by wildlife, you tap into the forest's ancient wisdom. Let the animals guide you to survival. When water is scarce, even small amounts matter. Collect morning frost from metal surfaces, cloth, or smooth bark before it evaporates. Lay out fabric overnight to gather frost, then wring out the moisture as it melts. For a more advanced method, build a solar still with clear plastic, a container, and green vegetation. Dig a pit, place the container in the center, fill around it with vegetation, and cover with plastic. The sun evaporates moisture, which condenses on the plastic and drips into your container. This method is slow, but produces pure, safe water. Every drop counts in survival. Use creativity and patience to turn the environment's smallest offerings into life-saving resources. Ingenuity is your greatest tool. Finding water is only half the battle. Making it safe is just as vital. Contaminated water can cause illness and rapid dehydration, which is deadly in winter. Always assume water is unsafe unless it's from fresh snow, sap, rain, or a solar still. Boil water for at least 1 minute, 3 at high altitudes, to kill pathogens. Avoid stagnant water. Flowing sources are safer. Be mindful of what's upstream. Move if you see signs of contamination. Conserve energy when collecting and purifying water. Don't exhaust yourself. Every action should preserve your strength and core temperature. Safety is about smart choices, not just clean water. In winter survival, caution is your constant companion. Survival in the winter forest is a mental challenge. Patience and observation are your greatest assets. Rushing leads to mistakes. Slow down and read the environment. Notice the details: drifting snow, animal tracks, the sound of water under ice. Preparation is your foundation. Carry a metal container, fire starter, knife and map. Dress in layers and arm yourself with knowledge before you venture out. Learn survival skills in advance. Don't wait until you're desperate. Share what you learn. Survival wisdom is meant to be passed on. Foster a culture of preparedness and respect for nature. The forest rewards those who are vigilant, patient and humble. Carry these lessons with you always. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more winter survival wisdom.